In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform to create engaging forms, quizzes, and surveys. Let's get started by first heading over to the Typeform website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.typeform.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the login page, you can enter your credentials. Typeform offers the flexibility of signing in with your email address, or you can choose to log in with an account linked to Google, Microsoft, or other authentication services if those are set up for you. After entering your details, proceed by clicking the Login button. With access to your Typeform dashboard, the next step is to create a new Typeform. You'll find the Create New Typeform button ready for action. Click on it, and you'll be prompted on how you'd like to build your form. The platform offers several options. You can start from scratch, import questions from Google Forms, or even use AI-assisted creation. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll start from scratch to give you a comprehensive understanding. As Typeform directs you to a new window, you'll see various options for adding elements to your Typeform. This is where the creative fun begins. Choose from a variety of question types like multiple choice, short text, long text, yes/no answers, ratings, and picture choice if you wish to incorporate visuals into your form. To add a question, simply type in your query and follow it with the potential answers. If personalizing your form is important, you'll find the Design tab on the left side of your screen incredibly useful. Here, you can play around with themes by changing colors and fonts, and adjusting the background to align with your brand's aesthetics. A thoughtfully designed form not only looks good, but also enhances user engagement. An often overlooked feature is the thank you page. After users complete your survey or quiz, they'll be directed here. Consider this a vital opportunity to leave a positive impression, so make sure it's welcoming and well crafted. Once you've finalized your questions, it's time to switch your attention to the Settings tab. Here you can fine-tune various configurations such as making questions required, allowing multiple selections, randomizing answer order, and more. You might also want to explore options like vertical alignment for a cleaner layout. Before going live, it's wise to double check your creation. Click on the preview button to test the flow of your survey. Ensure everything feels intuitive and smooth from a participant's perspective. Satisfied with your masterpiece? Awesome. Click the Publish button to set your form, quiz, or survey into motion. You'll be provided with a unique link that you can share with your audience, or if you prefer, you can embed it directly onto your website. And there you have it. That's how you can use Typeform to craft exciting and interactive forms in just a few simple steps. Happy creating!